Hello everyone, my name is Ariana. Today we're going to read a story called Uncle Ted and the Hiccups. Uncle Ted and the Hiccups. Uncle Ted was staying with the twins. They liked him. He made everyone laugh. He made faces and he played tricks. But when he stayed, they always had pasta. The twins didn't like pasta. It looks like slice, they said, and they gave their pasta to the dog. Yuck. One night they had spaghetti. The twins didn't ever like spaghetti. It looked like worms, they said. We don't like to eat worms. Worms are yucky. Uncle Ted loved it. But he ate the spaghetti so fast he got the hiccups. Sniff, sniff. Hick. The hiccups went on and on. The twins gave Uncle Ted a big glass of water, but the hiccups didn't stop. I think I'll go upside down, he said. Said Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted went upside down, but the hiccups didn't stop. I'll have to go to the doctor, he said. When Uncle Ted went to get his keys, the twins got their wolf masks. They hid in the bushes. Hick, hick. Uncle Ted came down the steps. The twins jumped out and went rah, rah. Uncle Ted got a big fright. He ran back inside. That was just my brother. But when the twins came in, Uncle Ted was laughing. I'm not going to the doctor, he said. I don't have the hiccups anymore. The twins sat down at the table again. The spaghetti was still on their plate. Uncle Ted looked at the twins. You can't have cold worms, he said. We'll go out for pizza. At the pizza place, the twins had pizza, and a man gave them some masks. Good, said the twins. We can scare you again if the hiccups came back. Bye everyone.